Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install HP Laser MFP 136W printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, we check our PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. That is very easy to check it. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties. Wait for a few seconds. In a properties, scroll down and find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download our printer driver. Go to any web browser that you like. I am going to the Google Chrome. In a search, type HP Laser MFP 136W printer driver and hit enter key on your keyboard. First link is from the support.hp.com official website of the HP printer. Open the first link. Whatever first link is, open that link. And here we find the official website of the HP printer. Here we find our printer name HP Laser MFP 136W. It's detect your operating system and bit. If it's not detect your operating system right or the bit is not right, then click on choose a different OS, select Windows. In a version, if Windows 10 32-bit, then select Windows 10 32-bit. If Windows 10 64-bit, then select Windows 10 64-bit. Click on the update. This page or box goes to the refresh. After that, scroll down. Here we find many options. Go to the driver product installation software. If it is not expand, then expand it. Here we find recommended. Go to the recommended or basic drivers. I prefer to go to the basic drivers, so I expand basic drivers. Here we find two drivers, only plain printer driver and print and scan drivers. I go to the print and scan drivers. Click on this download. Click on download. It's redirect you to the another web page and download is started at the top. Wait for few seconds. Download is completed. Go to the downloads. Click on show in folder. Minimize it and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Here we find our setup file and we are going to install this setup file. That is very easy. Double click on it or right click on it. Click on run as administrator. Wait for a few seconds and click on the yes. And installation process is start in a few seconds. First is unzip process is start and after that installation is start. Wait for a few seconds. Installation is start in a few seconds. Installation is start. Click on this next. Click on next button. Here we find accept the terms and condition. Accept the terms and conditions. I select these two options and click on the next. Here we find many options. If you want to USB connection, then go to the USB connection. Network connection using Ethernet, then click at here in a network connection. If you want to wireless connection using Wi-Fi, then select this. And if you want to attach your printer later, then select this. I go with the USB connection. You can choose any option that you want. I click on the USB connection and click on the next. After that, attach your USB cable from your printer to your PC to laptop, PC or laptop. And after that, make sure power on the your printer. And after that, click on the next. After that, here we find it's automatically select the our software names. And after that, if you want to change the name of this printer, this is a series printer and its content name 131, 33, 135 and 139. And if you want to change the name, then click on the advanced options. Go to your printer name, give any name that you like. If you want to change HP Laser MFP 136W, then add that name and then click on the apply, click on the OK, and this name is changed of the your printer. Okay, I don't change it, so I click on the directly OK, and after that I click on the next. Our installation process is started. First is install our printer driver. Second option is the scanner driver. It's install scanner driver. Then after installation is complete, then we go to our next process. So be patient and wait for a few minutes to complete this process. Printer driver and scanner driver installation on our Windows 10 PC or laptop. It's take 1 or 2 minutes. So be patient and wait for 1 to 2 minutes depending on the speed of our PC or laptop. Our installation is completed. Now click on the finish. Next step is check our printer and scanner is properly installed or not. Go to start, type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. Wait for a few seconds. Our printer list is appear on our screen. And if you find your printer name that you add HP Laser MFP, then if you add your printer name, then find that printer name, or 131, 133, 135, 139. That means this is a series printer. Use this printer and it's 110% work with our printer. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.